In the world of residential architecture, it's rare to find a home that manages to be both a sprawling 20,000 square foot titan and a masterclass in intimate, Mediterranean-inspired artistry. Located on a prime 1-acre slice of the storied Old Palm Golf Club, once the crown jewel of the John D. MacArthur estate, this residence is less of a house and more of an architectural love letter to Florida's golden era.
The design philosophy here is unapologetically grand. Upon entering the foyer, you are greeted by a double staircase that feels like the opening act of a classic film. Underfoot, a seamless interplay of marble and onyx creates a liquid-like fluidity across the floors, while overhead, hand-painted murals and intricate moldings draw the eye towards soaring, volume ceilings. It is the kind of craftsmanship that makes you want to apologize for wearing sneakers. But behind the regal aesthetics lies a floor plan designed for actual living. With 5 bedrooms and a layout that overlooks the 16th hole of a Ray Floyd-designed course, the home prioritizes views as much as vanity. The master suite is a cavernous retreat, complete with a gas fireplace, because even in South Florida, occasionally you just want to feel cozy while overlooking your personal empire. The lifestyle here is predictably decadent. Between the cinema-style theater, the dual kitchens, and a backyard loggia that puts most luxury resorts to shame, the house is clearly designed for those who view hosting as a contact sport. Whether you are lounging under the pergola-covered spa or utilizing the concierge services at the Old Palm Clubhouse, the barrier between home and vacation effectively dissolves. It's a bold, unapologetic, and thoroughly impressive estate that manages to capture the essence of a bygone era without sacrificing a single modern convenience.